Alright, we got another master lock. It's the EX series. It says tough under fire on it. See, it's got a shackle guard. Looks like it's built to be somewhat weatherproof, maybe. I guess so. Overall, it just doesn't rust. When I looked at it, underneath though, it's just a. There you go. Master number 3. Just wrapped in plastic. So I'm betting this thing is really easy to get into. Alright. Start your timers. There we go. What's that, 15, 20 seconds? There you go, you can see it. Yep. Advertises. Probably something might be a little bit better lock. It just looks pretty. Alright, thanks for watching.